Alright, so I'm going to do a quick video to answer this question. Please forgive the look of the text. I pulled this from the Edwin app, but I've had to kind of get the questions using the old school method called the textbook. So whenever you do a question like this, I expect that you use GRASP. To start out with, we are going to list what we are given. So we're given two pieces of information. I've got this unit, or this number right here, and I know that that is the mass. So I know that mass is 7.68 grams. I'm also given a volume of 8 centimeters cubed. So I know volume is about 8 centimeters cubed. Next thing we need to do is figure out what the question is asking us. So the question is asking us to find the density, and we also need to determine the identity. Sorry if my handwriting is a little messy, it's really hard. For the analysis section of this, we need to determine the formula for density. So I get my density triangle out, and I look, I think to myself, okay, what exactly are we trying to figure out here? Well, we know that density is what I'm looking for. So if I was doing a question like this, we'd cover up density with our finger, and as I'm covering up density with my finger, I see that mass is one unit that's available, and it's over top of volume. So I know that mass is over top of volume, or it's mass divided by volume. So after doing that thinking, I now know that density equals mass over volume. So I've now completed the analysis section where I know what density equals, and I'm going to apply that now in the solution. I'm just going to change pages. So the next thing I do is I say that density, sorry, this is the first part of solve. Density equals, and so I look at my G, and you're going to be working the same sheet of paper, so this will be a little bit easier for you. But I know that my mass from the last question was 71.68 grams divided by the volume of 8 centimeters cubed. I now get out my calculator, and I determine that 71.68 divided by 8 equals 8.96 grams per centimeter cubed. The last part of a GRASP question, or questions I ask you to do with math, is to give me a statement. So the first part we had to say was the density is 8.96 grams per centimeter cubed, and I look at that reading that I had given you folks after the quiz, and I look at the table, and I see that I see the table has told me that it's 8.96, and its identity is copper. Sorry about my writing being so messy. It's very hard. Alright, and there you go. That's how to solve a density problem. One, and again, this is a screen capture, but I look what has a density of 8.96 from the Edwin